Aloha! Mint Fox here. Aw, just look at you. All excited to activate your new Mint mobile account. I love it. You remind me of me, but with less fur and a shorter tail. Before we start, this video will explain how to activate your new account and get a brand new phone number assigned to you. Once you activate, there's no going back. So if you want to learn how to transfer an existing number to your new Mint account, check out our other video here. Okay, ready? First thing you do is open up the old internet browser and go to mintmobile.com. Then click on Activate over here on the toolbar. Now take that card your SIM came in and flip it over to the backside. You'll find an 11-digit code up here in the top corner. You'll want to enter that right here. I don't know about you, but I always screw these things up. So make sure to transfer the numbers carefully or have a friend read them slowly out loud to you. Next, you're going to enter your zip code so we can assign your number with the appropriate area code for where you live. Read and agree to the refund policy, and you're activated. The last thing to do is make sure your data settings are all updated so you can send group and picture messages. And we got a video for that too. Not so hard, right? Until next time, adios, Fox amigos.